Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic in Squad Busters. Sonic the Hedgehog, along with Tails and Knuckles, joined the game as special characters during a limited-time event. This exciting crossover ran for approximately 3 weeks, from the 17th of June until the 8th of July. During this period, players could unlock Sonic by participating in the event and collecting special rings. While the event has concluded, understanding how characters are introduced is key. Many characters in Squad Busters are unlocked by progressing through the squad journey, which is similar to a battle pass. As you level up, you'll receive guaranteed characters at certain milestones, like Goblin at level 3 or Witch at level 10. To advance, you need Portal Energy, earned by evolving your existing characters or completing in-game achievements. Additionally, opening chests after matches offers a chance to acquire new characters, though this method is more unpredictable. Another way to expand your roster is by purchasing characters from the in-game shop. These purchases typically require premium currency, such as coins. The shop's inventory rotates periodically, so it is wise to check it often for new additions or returning favorites. While Sonic's initial event has passed, Supercell occasionally brings back popular limited-time characters through new events or special shop offers, so staying informed is important. When Sonic was available, his Super Sonic Power move provided a 75% speed boost and 20% extra attack speed to your entire squad, along with temporary invincibility. If you enjoy this fast-paced style, consider playing other Speedster-class characters like Hog Rider. Always follow official Squad Busters channels for news on new characters, events, or the potential return of fan favorites like Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.